welcome to the channel. As our channel said clearly that we are about trading algos and robotic trading. From the past couple of months, almost a year now, I am trying to I have entered into the trading world and started with cryptos. After a lot of losses, I have started trying to find a way to get some profits, make some profits from the trading itself. Though I still didn't choose it as a 24 hours or full-time career. I'm doing a job, and in my part-time I'm working with just working on some pairs, buying some and selling some, though I started making some profits in the past couple of months, but still I'm not into the level where I can say that okay, it's now my full-time job and I don't need to work anywhere. And by the way, anyone who is telling you that with the trading you will be rich overnight, or you will be in profit in the first week or in the first month or in the first couple of months, this is just a lie, because I have been with cryptos, with forex from the past like 8 months, and I'm still in loss. I didn't even recover my losses. Okay, so come to the topic. Trading algos or robotic trading is a hot topic. There is a lot of people who they are looking for something for it, trading a robot who can earn some consistent profits on monthly basis. You can say a passive income, or they can generate some profits. One more thing which I want to say it in the start, and I will be repeating it till the end of this channel, that any algos who they are offering, or if their forex FX book is showing huge profits like 1000% or 800%, stay away from those algos, because they will destroy your account. They will kill your balance, and in the end you will left with nothing. So for consistent profits, the algos are usually working with like 2% to 5% or 8% or 6% profits per month, which is not something huge, but it's something good, like you can say a passive income. So because this is our first video, so we will not go into the deep details of algos, but I will be in this channel, we will be discussing different algos. First are some introductory videos where I will introduce the MetaTrader 4, I will introduce some brokers, I will introduce the trading view, and then we will go to the next part of the channel, where we will be running different algos on test accounts and on real accounts for different periods, for months and for weeks, to see the results. So to start, just a small or a little bit introduction of the algo trading or trading robots. What is basically algo trading? Algo trading or algorithmic trading. I'm sorry, I'm not native, so my English will not be perfect. But I'm here just to share my knowledge, what I know from the past 1 year, what I have researched on. And in the start I was like kind of lost, because there are a lot of people on YouTube who they are sharing their experience with algo trading, but most of them will be just like advertising videos of their own algos just to sell it in the market. So I'm not affiliated to any algo, I'm not affiliated to any group. This is just an independent I'm just trying independently to guide you guys, and just to show you some algos which can help you to generate some income. So the algo trading refers to the use of computer algorithm to automate the process of buying and selling of of cryptos, forex, use of computer algos to automate the trading. It can be for any pairs. It can be for currencies. It can be for cryptos or for stocks. Instead of human, the algos are programmed. They have different indicators. They have a lot of data sets, and they take decisions instead of human beings to buy and sell the pairs, the cryptos or the forex. Because I'm talking about cryptos and forex because these are the two which we'll be talking about in our lessons or in our videos. Actually, I will not call it lessons because I'm not a teacher. It's just my knowledge which I want to share. So so algos are basically computer programs who they do trading, automated tradings on behalf of a person. The pros of the trading algos or robotic trading is there are some pros and there are some cons. The pros are that they are the speed, they are very fast, they just take decisions in seconds. Number two, the accuracy, they are very accurate because they are based on mathematical formulas, and they take decisions like really fast than human interference or human trading. The mathematical calculation is very fast because computer is of course faster than human being. They can take decision in seconds. And the most important factor which make it more better than the human trading is the emotionless trading. In my past 1 year of manual trading and algo trading, emotions is something which always kill you. When you start a trade and you see that it's going on the opposite direction, a lot of emotions which come into our mind and would say, oh my god, it's going, oh my god, it might ruin my account, it might blow up my account, and then we'll close the trading. And then after like 1 hour or 1.5 hours, when you see the trade was exactly on the same place where you were initially planning or thinking that it will go there, it go there, but you close it in loss because of emotions. So algos, they work emotionless. They don't have any emotions, and they will just place the trades. They will wait for it. They will as per their calculations or mathematical formulas or whatever. They will wait on it until they gain some profits. Also, another thing is the intensive backtesting. For manual trading, it's very difficult to backtest your strategy, but the algos, you can trade it. You can backtest it intensively, even if it's in the MetaTrader 4 platform, which we will be talking about, or if it's in the Trading View. We will excuse me. We will go through both the platforms, and we will see. Personally, I like MetaTrader 4, but we will go through MetaTrader 4 and we will go through Trading View, and also we will go through different algos. The cons of the algo trading is that the environment, the market condition, humans can understand it more in a more better way. They can see that where it's going, what is going on, and what is happening, and accordingly they can change their decisions. But algos cannot see the real world condition, and the real market condition, and they will not change their decisions according to the situation or according to the market condition. They will use the same set of rules and regulations, and they will put the trades. Yeah, so that was the basic introduction of channel, and also the basic information about the algo trading and the robotic tradings. And in the future, we will have more details on it. Till then, take care.